Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. Okay, Jessica here. And of course, I've got another unboxing. And this is actually my Ice Cream Beauty Bag. They started this several months ago, I think right after, at the beginning of the year. And yeah, I have gotten full-size products in every single one of these bags. In addition to that, I've gotten a palette in every one of the bags. Yeah. This thing is $12.50. Yeah. I mean, granted, there is a $4 shipping fee. I do want to let you know that. I did unbox the other day. I will link it up here. The Ice Cream Beauty Box, which is $24 a month. And it includes shipping, all full-size products, palette, in every box. Amazing subscription. But I did start getting this bag, and I'm actually really enjoying it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. If this is something you want to scoop up for yourself, all of the information will be down in my description box, and along with a discount code for y'all to pick this up for yourself. Now, each month, we get a cute little card, and this is obviously the June bag. And it has all the prices and everything. So that works out. I will go over all of the prices and everything, the totals, at the end of the video. Okay, so the first thing we've got is this. And it is the Be Bella Metallic Shadow Pot in, I believe, the color Regal. This retails for $5, which is, Be Bella is a really, I actually have gotten a few things from the brand. I really like it. And here, look at this. I got this in one of my other ice cream bag or boxes, and this is a palette from Be Bella, and I did an eye look with it a while back. But y'all, look at this freaking palette. Is that not gorgeous, right? So yeah, and the palette itself performed amazing. So there again, I do really like the Be Bella products. Here is the packaging on this. It's pretty, and it's a glass container, so it makes it look classy. Oh, okay. Look at that. It's definitely a metallic. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at that. That's flipping crazy. I actually can't even tell if it's a cream or a powder because it feels super creamy. Maybe it is a cream. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Oh wow, okay. I'm excited to try that. Okay, the next thing we've got is from Crown Brush, and their stuff isn't cheap. This is the Glam and Glow Full Face Palette. So that's actually really nice. It doesn't really look like there's a lot of shimmer in this, in any of the shades, which is actually nice. But the bronzer or the contour definitely looks matte. I'm not sure about these two, and I don't want to swatch them because I'm going to put this in a giveaway. But the blush and the highlight, I think that's awesome because you can, this isn't shimmery, you can use it like below your contour here to bring it out more and cut more of like a contour edge. brighten up your nose, all that good stuff. So this is really cool. It does retail for $25. Did I say that already? I don't know. But either way, it's really pretty. And I am not going to swatch it because I want to put it in for one of you guys. And last but not least is from Beauty Creations. It's the Hot Fire Shadow Palette. That looks really cool. There's cardboard packaging, and it's the same design. And then, oh wow. This looks really different. Look at that. The combination of mattes and shimmers. Very neat. I love the design. That's really cool. This one retails for $12. So, super affordable and really pretty. So, that's everything. In the beauty bag, you get anywhere from, I believe it's 3 to 5 items. And the total value of this month's bag for the June 2021 bag is $42. So even those just the three products, their value is still up to $42 for a bag that technically, with shipping, is under $17. So I say that's really good. Now, how much is the actual percentage of savings? So in getting this beauty bag subscription in lieu of purchasing each of these items individually at retail price, your total savings is 60%. Not bad. For a subscription that is really that affordable, for all full-size products too, not bad. What do you think? Let me know. Put it down in the description box. I want to know your thoughts. Okay, that's it. Quick one. Thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. If you would, and you have not done so already, please smash the subscribe button. It does help me out so much, and it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this, along with the spoilers and giveaways and notifications about deals, discounts, and mystery boxes that are coming. So yeah, I try to get that stuff out to you guys as quickly as possible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys bunches. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.